A very pleasant good morning, children. Children, today we are going to learn chapter 1 Unity in Diversity. So, children, please be ready with your book. Open your book, page number 184, and today we will discuss on this chapter. Is that clear? Now, children, tell me, what do you mean by unity in diversity? Yes, that means that we all are one despite many differences. Okay, भले ही हमारे यहाँ पे different religions हो, different languages बोले जाए, there are different castes. Okay, peoples are having different uh, food habits, right? Their eating style, their dishes are different, isn't it? And even their games, some students like playing cricket, some students like playing hockey, so it can differ, right? But with all these differences also, we all are one, right? And what is the beautiful thought, children? That is unity in strength. And what else? United we stand, divided we fall. So we should always be together. Is that clear? We should not make any differences. Is that clear? We should be united. So children, now one examples also I will discuss. Now children, look around you. Suppose you are in the school, you are sitting in the class. Now what, children, suppose you are having four best friends. Now you notice how each of you are different from each other, right? Some student may be good in drawing, some student may be good in studies, right? Some students are handwriting must be good, some are good in cricket, some are good in tennis, yes or no? And favorite dishes also, it can also differ. Some students like eating Chinese food, yes or no? Some likes Indian food. And even the languages also are different. If you are in school, or it is necessary that you have to speak in English, right? And and at home, children, you are speaking in your mother tongue language, right? At a regional language you all are speaking. So there are many differences. In spite of this, we all are one, we all are together. Is that clear? So now today we will discuss this chapter only, unity in diversity. Is that clear? So children, just wait for a while. I'm sharing the screen. Yes. Chapter number 1, Unity in Diversity. Yes. See. Now, diversity, India is a land of unity in diversity. Yes. Now, diversity in India. India is a country of many diversity. People here speak different languages, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religions. Yes or no? Right. So, children, the differences might be less obvious, but they are equally important in making each one of us what we are, unique human being, right? The state of being different, of being unique, children, is known as diversity. Now, children, diversity need not mean that each one of us different does different things at all time. Very often we might be doing the same thing. Yes or no? Diversity does not mean that we should do does the different things at all time. We might be do some same things, but we just do it in different manner. We can do it differently. Yes or no? For example, some like to read comic books while some like to read story books, right? So many pray, but some of us go to temple while some go to a mosque or a church. So some prefer to pray at home. So we all speak to communicate. We just use different languages to do so, isn't it? And children, why diversity is needed? Diversity or variety or differences is one of the most beautiful aspects of life on earth. No children, there is no two humans, they are alike. They are same. Is that clear? We have seen the examples. Diversity, children, also enriches our life. Now, for example, children, come on, imagine if you had to live in the world of identical people, everyone would look the same. Yes or no? Identical means what, children? Okay, सभी एक जैसे दिखें. They are wearing the same dresses. They talk the same. The languages are same, and they behave in the same way. Would you like to live in such a world? डू यू लाइक इट कि सभी लोग एक तरीके का दिखे, एक जैसा कपड़ा पहने, एक जैसे फूड हैबिट्स हो, इस तरीके का, तो क्या हमें पसंद आएगा? कुछ तो स्पेशल होना चाहिए. दैट शुड बी सम यूनिकनेस. yes or no, that should be something different. So when you live with a diverse children group of people, you learn from them, you learn different things from them. Yes or no? You observe different cultures. You become more tolerant and broad minded. Yes or no? Right? So, children, our planet has different kinds of people. Each has a specific languages and unique tradition. And this different religions and culture enriches our life. So, हम सब एक हैं. भले ही अलग अलग धर्म हो, अलग अलग लोगों के रिलीजन्स हो, इसके बावजूद वी ऑल आर वन, वी ऑल आर यूनाइटेड. नाउ चिल्ड्रन, see, there are different types of festivals also celebrated in our country. Yes or no? So some festival, children, they are religious and some are linked to the season. Now types of festivals. Now children, festival, they are of three types. They are national festivals, religious festival, and what is harvest festival. So these are the three festivals. Now national festivals such as Independence Day, then Republic Day, then children, what else? Then Gandhi Jayanti. Yes, so this all comes under national festival, isn't it? And next, religious festival. See, India is a land of many religions. We are having different religions in our country. Yes or no? Hindu, Muslims, Sikhism, Jainism, then Christianity, then Zoroastrianism. What do you mean by Zoroastrianism, children? That means the Parsi religions. Is that clear? So different parts of country have different custom, language, dress, food habit, and the religions. The main religions in India, children, are Hindu, Muslim, Sikhism. All these are the important religions also in our country, right? So we may have many religious festivals that are celebrated with joy across the country. Few of them are Christmas, right? Then Diwali, then Dashera, Durga Puja, Raksha Bandhan, and many more. Now, children, we will see what is the significance of this festival. Yes, children, come on, tell me. In Christmas, what we do? We used to decorate our house, right? We used to make Christmas tree. Yes, at home we make cake and all, right? We enjoy it. Then Diwali, and we wish everyone have a Merry Christmas. Yes or no? And in Diwali, children, what we do? Yes, come on, tell me. And Diwali is known as the light of festival also, right? It is a festival of light. And Why we celebrate, children, Diwali? Because on this day, Lord Rama returned home to Ayodhya after how many years, children? After 14 years in exile. And people decorate their homes so that the god Lakshmi come to their house. Yes. And what all the children do, children? The children burst crackers because Diwali is a festival of light. Yes or no? And then what we do, children, in Dashera? Yes. Come on. Tell me. Yes. In West Bengal, children, Durga Puja is celebrated with great pomp and show. Goddess Durga, children, it's worship for the many days. Yes or no? We all celebrate this festival, right? We go to see where the this Durga Pujas are there, right? मीन्स हम जाते हैं ना पंडाल वगैरह में देखने के लिए कि कहाँ कहाँ पे मूर्ति है जो स्थापित है. Yes or no? With our family, with our friends, we all go to see. Now next, children, Raksha Bandhan. Yes. What is the significance, children, of Raksha Bandhan? Come on, tell me. What do you do? The sister, children, it's tie Rakhi. Yes or no? On whose hand? On brother's hand. And pray for their safety. Yes or no? And this is celebrated by the sister tying a rakhi. Then the brother, what the brother do, children? They gives a gift to his sister for praying for his safety. Yes or no? And there are many more festivals which is celebrated. Now next type is harvest festival. Harvest is an important activity in our country. It is the time when a crop is sown. By this and the ready for reaping are called as harvest festival. Now what are the harvest festival, children? For example, Baisakhi, Basant Panchami, Pongal, Onam, Guru Parv and Bihu are celebrated in some parts. Yes or no? Right? Now what happens in Baisakhi, children? Come on. Yeah. It's celebrated on every April every year. The festival is mainly celebrated in North India and particularly in Punjab and Himachal Pradesh. Okay. So this was all about Baisakhi. Now what is Onam festival, children? Onam marks the celebrated of season in Kerala. Special dishes are prepared and served on banana leaves. And then children see in your book Pongal. Pongal festival is also given. It is the harvest festival but of Tamil Nadu. It is a 3-day festival. Then next children is what? Bihu. Bihu is also, children, harvest festival of Assam. Special Bihu dances, folk dance are also performed across the state. Understood? Now next, religions, children. So we have a different religions and the main religions, children, are Hindus, Muslims, that means the Islam, Sikhism, Jainism, Buddhism, Christianity. Yes or no? Then Zoroastrianism. So these are the some main religions of our country. Yes or no? And many languages are also spoken in our country, right? So in each state there are the each regional languages which is spoken. Yes or no? For example, in Jammu and Kashmir, Kashmiri language is spoken. Yes or no? Then in Assam you can see Assami languages is spoken. Then in Punjab, Punjabi language, regional language is spoken. In Rajasthan, Rajasthani languages are spoken. In Gujarat, Gujarati languages. In Maharashtra, Marathi languages are spoken. So, and in different, that means different state, different regional languages are spoken. Yes or no? Now, next. Now the dance and music, children. Dance in India comprises the various styles of dance and as with other aspects of Indian culture. Different forms of dances originated in different parts of India, right? So in different states, children, you will see popular dances. Yes. Now, developed according to the local tradition and also imbibed elements from the other parts of the country. Now, what do you mean by imbibed, children? Yes, that means to absorb, to assimilate, to learn, or to take the elements from the other parts of country. The dance forms emerge from the Indian traditions, epics such as Ramayana, Mahabharata, Bhagavad Gita, yes or no, and historical mythological, the old stories. Yes. Now next, see, children, India has two major kind of dances. Okay, one is classical dance and other one is folk dance. The classical dance, children, such as Bharatnatyam, yes, is popular in which state, children? It is Bharatnatyam is popular in Tamil Nadu. You can see the pictures, right? Then Kathakali, children, in Kerala. Understood? Yes. Please remember the state, children, in which state which dance form is popular. Kathakali in Kerala. Then Kathak, children. Yes. Kathak is famous in North India. Is that clear? Then Kuchipudi. Then that is famous in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana also. Then Manipuri children dance is famous in Manipur. And next Odissi children, it is famous in Odisha. And children, this Mohiniyattam dance form, it is also popular in Kerala. So in Kerala, Kathakali as well as Mohiniyattam is popular dance form in Kerala. Understood? And this is the picture of folk dances. Now, most of these dances, children, tell stories from two epics, that is Ramayana and Mahabharata. Okay, here I have shown you the epic. So, from which are the two epics? From mostly from Ramayana and Mahabharata. Now, children, ancient Indian knowledge has also been passed by a word of mouth. Orally, it was transferred. Stories with moral lesson were told through songs and dramas. And children, this is called as art of folk theatre. Folk dance were also made mostly, children, based on seasons. For example, children, Bhangra. Yes, it is popular in which state? It is popular in Punjab. Yes or no? You can see. Then children, which is the other folk dance? Then Garba, children. Garba is popular in which state? Yes, it is very popular dance. It is famous in Gujarat. Then Chow from Jharkhand and Odisha. Ghumar, children, it is famous in Rajasthan. Lavani, children, it is famous dance in Maharashtra. And Bihu, children, see, this is the Bihu, right? It is popular in Assam. And this, children, this dance, Kashmiri dance, is famous in Jammu and Kashmir. Is that clear? So now, children, next. See, Indian music. So, children, there are two main genres of Indian music. Now, what is genres, children? A style, a class, or category of music, of Indian music. So, there are Hindustani and Carnatic music. So, there are two classical music of India's. So, India music like dance form, children, also goes back to Vedas. So, there are two main schools of classical music. One is, children, see, Hindustani music, children, is predominantly, that means it is mainly mostly in North India, and Carnatic is mainly in South India. Is that clear? You have to remember Hindustani music is mostly in North India and Carnatic music is in South India. In Indian music, we have the Gharana tradition also. Students learn music, children, from Guru by living in houses. Now, Hindustani music. Music that originated from Vedic ritual. That means the chant, Indian tradition. Hindustani music focuses on vocal performance. What do you mean by vocal, children? Based on the song, the singing, right? The singers, those vocal voice, and less on instrumental. But there is still some instrument in Hindustani music. It is played, but the most importance is given to the vocal performance. Okay, now in Carnatic music evolved from ancient Hindu traditions. It is one of the two subgenres of Indian music. Carnatic music is performed in an ensemble, where Hindustani music is performed solo, vocal and drums. Is that clear, children? And children, devotional music such as couplets by Kabir and bhajans by Surdas, Tulsidas, and Mirbai are sung all over the country also. And Indian folk music consists of traditional songs sung during the festivals and during the wedding time also. Understood? Now, next topic, that is art and sculpture. Now, the earliest form of art, children, it was based on the teaching of the Buddha are the cave painting at Ajanta and Ellora in Maharashtra. Yes, so children, see some pictures also I have shared, right? You can see the cave painting at Ajanta and Kailash temple at Ellora, right? And in which year it was built, that year is also mentioned. Now, the earlier children, the craftsperson built beautiful monuments and places of worship. The stupa of Sachi, children, were built by whom? By the Emperor Ashoka, and Taj Mahal by Shah Jahan, right? So the later is now recognized as one of the wonders of the world, isn't it? Many famous monuments and buildings, children, are part of our heritage. Understood? So this all comes under art and sculpture. Now, next. Yes. Now, Indian foods. India is meant for variety of food. Since India is meant for unity in diversity, there are different cultures. Yes or no? सभी लोगों की कल्चर ट्रेडिशन, सभी लोग अलग तरीके से फेस्टिवल्स मनाते हैं, पूजा पाठ करने का तरीका अलग अलग होता है. यस, शादी जो होती है सभी लोगों में अलग अलग तरीके से होती है, बट सभी लोग भले कितने अलग अलग क्यों ना हो, बट फिर भी हम सब एक साथ मिलकर रहते हैं. यस और नो? दैट इज वाई इंडिया इज मोस्टली फेमस फॉर इट्स डाइवर्सिटी. और चिल्ड्रेन, ये डाइवर्सिटी चिल्ड्रेन, अभी देखिए ब्रिटिशर्स जब थे, ओके, तो कौन गुलाम, ब्रिटिशर्स के कौन गुलाम थे, किनको उन्होंने गुलाम बनाकर रखा था? इंडियंस को बना के रखा था. यस और नो? तो उस समय पे डिफरेंट डिफरेंट रिलीजन्स होते थे, हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख्स, क्रिश्चियंस. यस और नो? बट एवरीवन दे यूज्ड टू यूनाइट एंड दे यूज्ड टू फाइट फॉर व्हाट? फॉर फ्रीडम. ओके, सो भले वो कितने भी अलग क्यों ना हो, उनके रिलीजन्स, उनके कस्टम ट्रेडिशन क्यों ना हो, बट व्हाट दे ऑल वांटेड फ्रीडम. So they used to come together and they used to fight for freedom. And what the Britishers used to think, okay, it will become very easy because there is lots of differences between these peoples. Yes, तो इनको आराम से हम लड़ा सकते हैं, बट उनकी ये कोशिश नहीं सफल हो पाए. यस, वो नहीं कामयाब हो पाए. अंडरस्टूड? ऐसा नहीं हो पाए क्योंकि हमारे में क्या है चिल्ड्रेन, हम लोग भले ही कितने अलग क्यों ना हो, बट हमारे पे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आ जाए या कुछ भी आ जाए, हम सभी एक हो जाते हैं. यस और नो? सो इसी तरीके से चिल्ड्रन, अभी देखिए फूड हैबिट्स की बात की जाए तो सभी लोगों के अपने अलग अलग फूड स्पेशल डिशेस होते हैं. यस, they all are Indians, the style of cooking and taste preference varies based on their regions. Yes or no, children? In different states if you will go, there are famous special dishes. जैसे पंजाब में ले लीजिए चिल्ड्रेन, सरसों दा साग, मक्खन दी रोटी, yes or no. If you'll go to south side, what you will notice कि उनका फेवरेट डिशेस क्या होता है, इडली, डोसा, सांबर, yes or no. गुजरात में चले जाइए, ढोकला, श्रीखंड, वो सारी चीज़ें फेमस होती है कि नहीं. महाराष्ट्र में चले जाओ, व्हाट इज फेमस, वड़ा पाव, यस और नो, pav bhaji, all these things. Then Assam, momos, Chinese. So in different regions, children, okay, there are some special dishes also. In Bihar, litti chokha, yes or no. So some of the cultural differences on Indian food is mentioned, okay, below. Now food, grain, vegetables and fruit grown in our country, children, it vary from place to place, yes or no, depending upon the landform and climate and seasons. So children, spices such as chilies, turmeric, pepper, cardamom and cloves are grown. Sweets such as rasgullas, shrikhand, paisam and laddus, all these are popular in India. Okay. Now next, the last topic is our clothes. So land and the climate also determine the dress worn by people of an area. Some parts are covered with thick forest and some areas are near the seas. In some parts summers are very hot and some uh, winters are very cold, while in other parts the climate is almost same throughout the year. Yes or no? And children, see the dresses I have shown you. So the popular dresses, children, in our country are salwar kameez with dupatta, which is famous in Punjab, ghagra kurta with an odhani in Haryana, ghagra kachli in Rajasthan, lehenga choli in Gujarat, and mundu blouse in Kerala. And men generally, children, they wear trouser and shirts. Other dresses for men are pajama kurta, then dhoti kurta, lungi shirt. Yes or no? So men in Rajasthan wear chudidar kurta with an achkan or angrakha and a churidar with a jacket. Yes or no? Is worn in Gujarat. In Tamil Nadu, men wear lungis are called vesti, and in Kerala they are called mundu. So men in West Bengal, Assam mostly wear dhotis and kurtas. So even the style of tying the turbans different from the state to state. Yes or no? In the hilly regions, due to the cold, the Kashmiri wear a long woolen coat called a pihiran. So all this variety is also there. Okay, different in different states, different regions, you can find the peoples are wearing different types of clothes. Their style is totally different. Understood? So children, I hope you have understood. Just wait a minute, children. Yes. So children, have you understood whatever we have discussed? So children, today we have discussed introduction, right? Then festivals, dance and music, then art and sculpture, food, clothes. Yes, so these are the topic which we have discussed today. And what you will do? Now you will read the topic which we have discussed in our today's class. So children, this is all for today. In the next class, we will be discussing the rest of the topic which is left. Is that clear? Goodbye children. Take care. Stay safe.